Hey there folks, Will here with the FXAce.com. First of all, welcome to the video. I hope you're doing fantastic wherever you are in the world and trading is going awesome. So today, my friend, I want to share with you a very secret, powerful weapon that I use for identifying the trend direction across all time frames at a quick glance. So it's a very powerful tool, a custom built tool that I've built. Make sure you watch this whole video, where I'll show you actually at the end of the video how you can actually access this powerful trend direction trading tool. So as you can see, I've got my chart loaded. I'm just looking at this here chart here, and it's telling me the actual trend direction based on custom built-in settings that I use to identify trend direction. So it just tells me, based on my custom settings, where the market is likely to go, where the strength is across all time frames. I also have a MA, so anyone out there who likes to trade with moving averages and identify trend by moving average, I have an MA period filter, so I can turn that on here, and I can actually select the MA size that I want to filter. So if I like to identify trend direction over whether it's above a 20 MA or below a 20 MA, so bearish below and bullish above, I will simply just type in 20 as it is there. I'll hit true here. You can have a simple moving average, an exponential moving average, a smooth, linear weighted. Okay, also, I don't use that. I like to use based on my own custom settings. But if you're an MA moving average trader out there, it's a very powerful tool for you. Saves a lot of time identifying trend direction. You can turn off time frames that you don't want on the chart. Well, if you're swing trading, maybe only look at the higher time frames and turn off all the smaller time frames. Day trading, maybe just have the smaller time frames on. Scalping, just have the smaller time frames. And to add a currency pair, say you want to add a currency pair, an asset pair. So I haven't got the CAD yen in here, so I'll just go like that, type in CAD JPY and hit OK, and you will see the CAD yen loading on the chart. There we go. As you can see, automatically this loads up, gives the trend direction. You can see the 4 hour, the 1 hour, the 30 minute and the 15 minute are all down. The daily's starting to turn bullish also. So we actually look at this and go, okay, let's have a look at the CAD yen, and you can see the CAD yen starting to go up here. We're getting a lot of buy signals. CAD yen's actually gone up. Okay. And you can see this. It's actually telling us that we're strong. Okay, intraday, we're like good to buy on the intraday trading. Similar story with the Aussie CAD. Aussie CAD's very bearish across intraday. So if you're day trading, if you're going, okay, so we're looking at this, flicked over, we want to see the trend direction. Okay, the trend's weak. Where is the market likely to go? It's likely to go down in intraday. So you can actually look at this and go, okay, I'm looking to sell trading today. When you get mixed signals like this, just be very wary. So this just tells you the overall strength across all the strongest pairs. You can put any pair you want. You see, intraday trading, the Euro USD is down. So we'll be looking on intraday trading to sell the Euro USD. So a very powerful tool, guys. So how do you access it? By simply clicking the link below in the description area, or wherever you're watching this video. Very powerful tool, and I have a very special offer for you to access it. So any questions, get in contact with me at will@thefxace.com and grab the indicator today. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.